Hi, this is Jagdish, Assistant Professor of EC Department, SNS College of Technology, Coimbatore. And in our video lecture series, we are going to discuss about information theory and error control coding. This is the fifth unit we are discussing. So under this unit, there is a topic called source encoding theorem. So in a source encoding theorem, first theorem we are going to discuss about Shannon-Fano coding. So come, let's get into the topic. So what is actually coding? So coding is simple analogy using everyday example like shorthand writing and abbreviation we use daily. So coding is like that. So instead of giving a long description, we can give a short form of instruction so that the machine or something can understand easily. Accordingly, that can execute the outputs. So that is actually a general meaning of coding. Why Shannon-Fano coding? That's why it is required means. So understanding frequency and efficiency through library book organization and finding systems. So if you are going for some library, you can if it is randomly the books were randomly arranged, the finding out the particular book in a particular domain is very difficult. Instead, if we organize electronics book is one order, and the communication book is one order, and the computer science book is one order, like that if you classify the book racks, then easily we can find out the book and as well as the particular author book, right? So that is actually a Shannon-Fano coding is used. And building code trees, that means building code trees that lies in visual step-by-step process using family tree and decision making flow charts and examples. So real world examples are practical applications in daily life, from text message to larger coding values. So what is information coding? So like creation shortcuts, imagine writing a text message where you can use U instead of YOU and R instead of ARE. This saves space and time. Shannon-Fano coding works similarly but mathematically precise. So that means simply when you are WhatsApping to your friend, instead of how are you, we used to send a message as HRU. And also like instead of where are you, we can use WRU. That means that the person can able to understand the WRU means that is where are you, right? So it saves our time and as well as the memory, right? So and also we can text the thing very fastly to the destination point your friend, right? So the same thing we are actually doing in the Shannon-Fano coding, but it is mathematically precision one. And compression magic. So like packaging a suitcase efficiently, we give shorter codes to letters that appear more than in text, right? And smart organization, just like an organizing your closest with the frequently used items at the front for easy access. So there is an analogy to understand better for a better understanding of your frequency. So popular book at priority. Libraries place bestseller and popular books near the entrance for easy access. Similarly, Shannon-Fano gives shorter codes to letters that appear most frequently in text, making the overall encoding more efficient. Rare books go further back. Less popular books are shortened in deeper sections of the library. In coding, rare letters get longer codes since they do not appear often enough to worry about their length significantly affecting overall efficiency. So this is the best example for the understanding of this Shannon-Fano coding. And building your Shannon-Fano coding tree, which have several steps. So the first step is count frequencies, and the second step is sort by popularity. Then third step is split in half. Then fourth step is keep splitting. And some visual examples, the real world examples of coding the word banana. So banana means we can use letter frequent count. The A appears 3 times, N appears 2 times, and B appears 1 time. So A appears 3 times. Since we it is appear as a 3 times, it is most frequent one, and N appears 2 times. It is a medium frequency, and B 1 time, so it is a least frequency. And building the code tree and financial encoded results are shown over in this slide, so we can easily understand the visual example for this Shannon-Fano coding. And efficient compression, different coding methods are used. One is Shannon-Fano performance. It saves 40 to 60% of original file size in most text documents, and good balance is possible in the Shannon-Fano coding. And some real world examples of Shannon-Fano code is text and chat messages in WhatsApp and your regular messages in your phone carrier, and file storage and backup, and streaming and media, that is YouTube or some other social media platforms, are real world examples for the Shannon-Fano coding. Why Shannon-Fano is matters today means internet communication, mobile data savings, storage optimization. These are all some important things, application where we are applying Shannon-Fano coding, and in these places Shannon-Fano plays a very vital role. So that's why we require Shannon-Fano coding. Thank you.